How to log in to Australia and New Zealand online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your mobile phone, desktop or PC. Then go to the search bar and search for ANZ Bank Login right here. Okay, then just tap on the first link which is on top. Okay, wait for a while. Then you will directly come to this page where you have to enter your credentials and your password. Then simply tap on login. Now if you are new and want to create an account, just tap on register right at the bottom. Now in case if you forgot your login details, just tap on the option of forgot login details in order to recover your username or password. Just tap on it. Wait for a while. Now you'll come to this page. If you know your customer registration number, just tap on Yes, I know, and if you don't, just tap on No, I don't. Okay, tap any of these options and just read the instructions given below and then tap on Next. Wait again. Now make sure that you remember your ANZ card number and PIN and your registered mobile number. Now just tap on Next here. Now you have to enter your card number, your card PIN, and then simply tap on Next after you enter these details. Then the bank will provide you with information and feedback on how to recover your ANZ online banking account. So this was it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.